All right, we're taking a walk here through some of our new other projects that are going to be coming up. This is my second 68 GTX. This one's going to get a full restoration. It is a numbers matching car. It's got a lot of junk in it right now, but everything's here to put her back together. Okay, that's one of the projects. This is another project. This is a 1980 Ford, what they call a bullnose. And it's step side. Or not really a step side, it's called, there's another name when it's a Ford. Step side when it's a Chevy, and when it's a Ford, it's a flare side. So this is the flare side box. We got the frame outside, but we're working on getting this put together. This will be the next project after the bug project. And then the GTX will be the project after that. And then the Model A's up there on the lift for the winter. And then the other car is a friend of mine. It's a 65 Bel Air, or 65 Fury 3. This is the frame for the bullnose. Haven't decided what we're doing with it yet. If we're going to put a V8 in it, or if we're going to put a 6-cylinder in it. Because they came with 6 cylinders, the 300. And that's the truck that we're redoing. This one's just too far gone. We can't do anything with it. I mean, we could, but the money and cost and time and labor is just a little bit too much. But this is the truck that we're going to try to replace. We'll take parts off of this truck and we will rebuild the other truck. Once we get the other frame all cleaned up, we're going to send it away and get it sandblasted, and then we'll get it painted, because everything I do, I make sure it's from the ground up. We have to replace all the suspension parts, because if you don't replace the suspension parts, you might as well not even be doing the job. All right, that was just a quick run around today of what we're doing. All right, talk to you later.